Good morning, students. Today we will do chapter number 6, Factors and Multiples, part 3. But before starting part 3, we will discuss what we have done before the holidays. So let's start. Firstly, we discuss multiples. Multiples of a number is a number which is obtained by multiplying the given number by counting number. Counting number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. For example, if I want the multiple of 2, then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Like this manner we will find the multiple of 2. Now we will discuss factors. Factors of a number is a number which completely divides the given number without leaving the remainder. For example, if I want the factor of 8, means I want to see in which table 8 come. 8 come in 1 table. Then 8 come in 2 table because 2 fours are 8. Then it comes in 3 table? No. Because if I divide 8 by 3, I will get remainder here also. So when remainder comes 0, then we consider it factors. Clear? Now we will see in 4 table. In 4 table 8 come? Yes. Then 8. So these number 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8. Clear? Now we will discuss prime numbers. A number which is greater than 1 and has two factors. One is 1 itself and another number itself is called prime number. For example, 3. 3 comes in 1 table and in 3 table only. Mean 3 is a number itself. So these number like 3 is called the prime number. Clear? Now we will discuss composite numbers. A number greater than 1 which has more than 2 factors is called composite number. For example, 4. 4 is a composite number? Yes, because factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. How many factor it is having? 3. That means it is having more than 2 factors. So it is called composite number. Clear? Now we will discuss twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers with the difference of 2 are called twin prime numbers. It means that firstly we have to see the prime numbers. So we will take 3 and 5. Now 3 and 5 are prime numbers and when we minus 3 and 5 I get 2. So difference is 2 coming. So these two numbers 3 and 5 are called twin prime number. Clear? Now we will discuss co-prime numbers. Two numbers with only one as a common factors are called co-prime numbers. For example, 4 and 5. 4 and 5 both the numbers are having one common factor. So these two numbers are called co-prime numbers. Now we will discuss prime factorization. When a number is expressed as a product of its prime factors, we call it prime factorization. Clear? Now we will discuss highest common factor. Highest common factor of 2 or more number is the greatest among the common factors. It means that firstly we have to find the factors. Then from that factors we have to find the common factors. And from the common factor we have to find the highest common factor. For example, see this question. Find the common factor of 12 and 24 and also find the HCF. Clear? Firstly, I will write the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1. After that 2 because 12 come in 2 table. Then 3. In 3 table 12 come in 4th position. Then 4. Then 6 and at the end 12 itself. Then I will write the factor of 24. Firstly come 1. Then 2. Then factor of 24 is 3 because it come in 3 table. Then 4, then 6, then 8, and then 12 because 2 12s are 24, and at the end 24 itself. Clear? Now we will find the common factors of 12 and 24. Firstly, see, both the number are having 1 1, so I will write 1 here. Then comma. Then what come? 2 because 2 both the number is having. Then 3 both the number is having. Then 4 both the number is having as a factor. Then 6, and at the end 12. Clear? Now from these common factors, see which number is the biggest one. Yes, 12. So highest common factor is 12. Clear? Now student, this highest common factor have two more methods of finding HCF. One is prime factorization method and another method is long division method. Clear? Firstly, we will discuss prime factorization method. Clear? See, in prime factorization method, there are two numbers. One is 18 and another is number is 42. So firstly, I will find out the factors of 18. This method you already done in the previous video which you got before the holidays. So see how to do. Firstly, you have to write the 18 like this manner. Clear? Now you will see 18 come in which table? Yes, 18 come in 2 table because we start from the smallest prime number. So smallest prime number is 2 and 18 come in 2 table. So we will divide it. In 2 table 18 come in which position? Yes, 9. So we will write 9 here. Then 9 come in 2 table? No. Now we will see next prime number, that is 3. So 9 come in 3 table. 3 table 9 come in which position? Yes. 3 3s are 9. So here come 3. And now this 3 come in which table? 3. We will not take 1 because 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So 3 ones are. Clear? So see this. Clear? Now we will see 42. So we will start from smallest prime number. So 42 come in which number? Yes, 2 table. So in 2 table 42 come in which position? Yes. Now we know that 42 is a even number and 2 is a even number. So it means 42 comes in 2 table. So where 42 come in 2 table? This thing how you do? You will divide 42 with 2 in a rough column, and when you divide it you will get 21. I am doing in a short form, but you can do firstly with 4 and then 2, and answer will in both the cases come 21. So in 2 table 42 comes in 21th position. Clear? Now 21 come in which table? 2 table? No, it comes in 3 table. So 3 7s are 21. So see, 7 I have written down. Clear? In which position the number is coming, we will write down that number. Clear? Then 7 come in which table? 7. We will never write 1 here because here is a position of prime numbers. Clear? So 7 ones are 7. Clear? Now we will write the factors. Firstly, we write the 18 factor like 2, 3, 3. Then 42 factor 2 into 3 into 7. Now see the common prime factors. Both are having 2. Clear? Both are having 3 common. So we write common prime factors are 2 and 3. Now when we find the highest common factor, what we do? We have to multiply the common prime factor, that is 2 into 3. So answer will come 6. Clear? Now we find the highest common factor of 48, 72 and 120. Clear? Firstly student, we will find of 48. as I told you earlier, when bigger number prime factor you want to find, in that case you divide that number by the divisor. So divisor here is 2. So 48 divided by 2, what come? 24. So I have written here 24. Clear? Then 24 we will do with 2 again. So when I divide 24 by 2, I get 12. Clear? And now I will see 12 come in which table? Yes, it come in 2 table also, 3 table also, 6 table also. But as I told you that we always take a prime number. You can't take 6. So from 2 and 3 you take any number. I have taken here 2. So you will divide 12 by 2. What come? 6. So here come 6. Then you divide 6 by 2. What come? 3. So here come 3, and then 3 come in 3 tables. So here come 1. Clear? Now we do of 72. Now 72 come in which table? 2. You divide 72 by 2. In 2 table 7 come? No. 6 come? Yes. Which position? 3. So 2 3s are 6. So 7 minus 6 is 2, 1. And 1 or 2. It becomes 12. 2 table 12 come? Yes, 6. 12. Now remainder come 0. Because whenever we find the factors, we always see that number is a factor which have the remainder 0. So here remainder is coming 0. So 36 is the factor. So in 2 table 36, 2 36 are 72. So 36 will come here. Now you will see 36 come in 2 table. Yes, again you have to do same method, and here will come 18. Now in 2 table 18 come 9s are. So here come 9. Now 9 come in which table? 3. So you will write 3 here. 3 3s are 9. So here you write 3, and now 3 come in 3 tables. So here come 1. Clear? Now you will see 120. 120 come in which table? 2, because both are even number. So even number always come in 2 table. Clear? So keep this thing in mind. So in that case, without thinking anything, divide that number and you will get the number in which number that one biggest number is coming. So 2 60s are 120. Now in 2 table 60 come at 30s are 2 30s are 60. Then 2 15s are 30. So here come 15. Now in 15 come in which table? 3. So 3 5s are 15. And then 5 1s are 5. Clear? Now all these factors we will write one by one. Firstly we write the factor of 48. 48 factors are this one. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Clear? Then we write of 72. Factor are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then we write of 120. 2 3 times into 3 into 5. Now HCF. Firstly we write the common factor. Firstly 2 is common in all the numbers. We have to see the common factor all the number is having, that one we will consider. So 2 is common in all these 3 numbers. Clear? Then multiply by 2, because again 2 is coming in all the numbers. Then we take another 2 because it is common in all these numbers. Then we will take 3 because 3 it is also having, it is also having, it is also having. So 3 will come. Clear? So then we multiply these, all these number, you get 24. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So here come 24. Clear? Now we will find the HCF of 144, 180 and then 192. So for that, firstly you have to find out 144. How to find? 144 is an even number. So you have to divide 144 by 2. You will get 72. Now 72 is again even number. So again you divide it by 2. You get 36. 36 again even number. So you divide 36 again by 2. And you will get 18. 18 is again a even number, so you divide again with 2. You get 9. Now 9 is not an even number. It means 9 come in which table? Yes, it comes in 3 table, and 3 is also a prime number. As I said, all the prime numbers come here. You have to write the prime number only. Don't take composite number. Clear? So 3 3s are 9. So here come 3 and here also come 3. Now see, 3 comes in which table? 3. So here come 1. Clear? So 144 factors we will write here. Clear? Now we will write the factors of 180. For that we will again make a format like this manner. Clear? So 180 come in 2 table. Clear? It comes in 90th position. So 2 90s are 180. Now 90 is a even number, so it also come in 2 table. Clear? It comes on 45 position. Then 45 come in 2 table? No. 45 come in 3 table? That thing we don't know. So 45 we will divide by 3. If remainder is coming 0, it means 45 is a factor. Clear? Is a factor of 3. So let's see. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. In 3 table 15 come? Yes. 3 5s are 15. Remainder is coming 0. So it means 45 come in 3 table. So 3 15s are 45. Clear? Now 15 come in 3 table? Yes. It comes in? Yes. 3 5s are. So here come 5, and then we will write factor of 5. That is 5 comes in 5 table at 1 position. So here come 1. Clear? Now we will write the factors of 180 here. Clear? Now we do 192. 192 is a even number, so it comes in 2 table, and it comes on 96th position. Now 96 come in 2 table at 48th position. Then 48 come in 2 table? Yes, 24th position. Like this manner we will find it out. Clear? And now all these factors we will get it. We will write here. Now we will find the common factor. 2 is common here, here also, and here also. So 2 we will write here. Then we will see another. It is also having again 2. 180 is also having. 192 is also having. So we will write next 2 here. Clear? Now we will find next 3. See, it is having 3, it is having 3, it is having 3. Means 3 is common in all these numbers. So we will write 3 here. Now we will multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So answer is coming 12. I hope student you understand the concept and able to do the worksheet which we will provide you for doing it. So thank you and have a nice day.